In 1933, the first two-stage air-cooled portable compressor was manufactured, and soon after standard sizes and ratings on actual free air delivery were established. Later, a Swedish professor named Alf Lysholm designed the first twin-screw compressor while working on steam and gas turbines. What is the history of compressed air? The history of air compressors, Kaishan, USA. Our ancestors started using bellows nearly 4,000 years ago to supply the oxygen they needed for primitive metallurgy. Compressed air was used more commonly during the Industrial Revolution, with blowing machines driven by water wheels or hydraulics. What is a portable air compressor? What is a portable air compressor used for? TMI air compressors. Portable air compressors are compact, lightweight, transportable compressed air solutions. Equipped with wheels and running gear for towing, they are made for the road. Who discovered the compressor? Later, in 1776, an English inventor by the name of John Wilkinson introduced a more efficient blasting machine that could produce high amounts of air pressure, which became an early prototype for all mechanical compressors. What is the oldest air compressor? From bellows to beyond, a brief history of the air. Human lung. Dating back to the origin of mankind is the first air compressor, the human lung. Since the human body can exhale air, primitive people used their own breath to blow on cinders and create fire. Who is the father of compressor? Antonio BALMA, known around the world as the father of compressed air, establishes a small compressor factory in Turin called BALMA Compressori.